Hello viewers, this is Brian again. Today we visited our client, our partner, formerly Kwesiga Farm. It's now officially registered as Full Harvest Farm. It is located in the Omurubare, Mtungamu municipality. It's western part of the country, Uganda. We have been conducting a year-long evaluation. For those who have been following us since we started with this farm, we started with planning for it, putting together the production plan, actuarial designs for the structure that you can see in the background, and the feeders, including classification and the pasture work, and post-harvest handling for pasture strategy, and value addition, among others, including management for this farm through the workers program. We've been talking with the proprietor, the Kwesigas, in terms of the improvements that have happened. We've seen great strides in terms of the health of the animals. We originally were faced with some animal health issue, which has been since solved. As you can see, the animals are now looking great. They have enough feeds. The structure is looking great, technically accepted. We have different partitions for the general herd. We have the back pen, the kids pen. We have the maternity ward. All are in great shape. The water harvesting is great, and we are able to manage disinfections as well as limit infections through the breeding areas in manure. So this farm has been developing. Part of the team here, the people working on this farm that we provided the support with general day-to-day management, providing first aid and supporting all issues on the farm. As you can see, most of the does are now pregnant. We expect a kidding season. We are very well prepared. As you can see in the kids pen, we've arranged it, we've included in dry grass to provide a well ground for harboring kids. It's also enclosed to ensure warmth in the structure. So most of the work that has been done here is from our full support. You can see in the pasture, different varieties have been planted. The Chloris Guyana, we have Super Napier, we have Citeria, we have Lab, also have the Caliandra. All these are basically targeting improving the nutritional value of the animals to ensure a stable food security for the animals. In line with that, we shall be going to the next phase of adding value on manure itself, adding value on the pastures so that we can ready. So at this point, this farm is ready to receive visitors, orders, so that they can develop through a self-sustaining to break even as we had projected. We asked them put together the business strategy. We also provided them the cost analysis, projecting the cost and profits, which we are following through together with the implementation plan. So today's check has been validating and trying to revisit, reflect on what we started. Because once we partner with the clients, we always want to work with them. There's that remote supervision and dual management structure that we support with the farms. Like any other, commercial farm, they are very much eager to start making huge sales, increasing their revenue. So we have been discussing to implement a digital marketing strategy. Watch out for the next episodes on this farm, this full harvest farm. We shall have visibility online, full presence, which is going to help boost the market, but also increase the revenue here. You can see within the play area it meets all the required standards, as you've seen. The biosecurity on this farm is all doing great. The workers are following well the schedules. They know what to do at any point in time. They can provide you with any support. So those have been following us. On the other hand, you can also come to us. We can provide you with trained workers that can support the farm management and growth, managing controlled breeding and early disease identification, and providing first aid. This is a niche that we are providing to ensure that we have a full comprehensive system to ensure functional farms. I'm going to be showing you the pasture later on, but we are having a storage house that is positioning us to be ready for harsh seasons like the drought, so to ensure that there is a full production and full supply of feeds throughout the year going forward. So this is the part of post-handling process to ensure that we have a feed storage to keep the hay or the pasture that's been harvested. This is our baler, helps us to make hay bales. We have it being used by the team here. Once they harvest, make different pasture mix and ensure a nutritional value, they make hay bales. We have this structure raised from the ground to make sure that we are protecting the rodents, and including this metallic barrier here. It is very, very, very useful to limit rodents from accessing and destroying the pasture or the hay that has been kept here. So once it's harvested, that is the process that undergoes, of course, with support with the staff here, as you can see. So we want to encourage all farmers to always have pasture storage, which will help mitigate or manage issues during harsh conditions. Here is the silage being supported by staff here. So all these are geared towards ensuring that we have food security. The team here has been doing a great job to ensure that we have silage on this farm. So they are doing both underground and surface. These are silage bags. So this is a very great option to ensure that a farm has food at all times. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe to our channel and also contact us for any support.